Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 6th, and we're going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I'm definitely looking at this first 5 waves up as a wave A. I think we're going to make our way down for probably several months for an A, B, C, or B, which likely will take out the low of wave 4, probably before we make another attempt to continue back up. So heading down to the weekly time frame, I think this is very, very clearly 5 waves down over here, which I think is very clearly the wave A. Then I think this is very clearly 1, 2, 3 waves up for the wave B. I think we're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for the wave C. So, keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the daily. On the daily time frame, I suspect that the wave 1 is already complete. I think there's a pretty good chance that we are going to go up maybe to at least a 30-50% Fibonacci retracement for wave 2 before we actually make our way down for that wave 3 of that wave C. So, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks like an uptrend, which does give you a little more confidence in this being a wave A. This move down is definitely pretty corrective. We got a Fibonacci retracement from here to here. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 waves down. I'm looking for Fibonacci bounces and nice engulfing moves to the upside, preferably a break of structure to help identify the end of this wave B, and then probably a pretty nice entry to go long for the wave C of wave 2. So ABC of wave 2. This downtrend is a big wave 1. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we got non-farm payroll coming out today. Now, if this does, make a big Fibonacci bounce, make a nice impulsive move up, especially if we get a nice clear break of structure, I am definitely going to call it an ABC correction, probably an ABC of wave B. This 5 waves up is the wave A. So if it breaks and holds above structure today at the news, then I would definitely at that point start looking for longs on pullbacks. If it doesn't break up and it actually continues to make lower lows, lower highs, then definitely disregard that. But it all really depends on whether or not we get an engulfing move to the upside, a nice break of structure. If we do, then after that, after the pullbacks, I would definitely start looking for buys at the end of every pullback I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.